Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send large files using Google Drive, bypassing the usual email attachment limits. This method is simple, efficient, and ensures your recipients can access files of any size. First, let's talk about the problem. Sending large files through email is often frustrating because most email providers, including Gmail, have strict size limits on attachments. This can prevent you from sharing important documents, videos, or images. The solution is Google Drive. It allows you to share large files seamlessly without worrying about size restrictions. Today, I'll guide you step by step so you can send large files quickly and easily. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. This is your central hub for composing emails and accessing Google's integrated features. Click the Compose button to start a new email draft. This is where you'll attach your large files using Google Drive. Inside the Email Composer, click the Google Drive icon. This is the key step that enables you to attach large files stored on Drive rather than directly to the email. A pop-up window will appear showing the contents of your Google Drive. Select the large file you want to send. If the file isn't already in Drive, make sure to upload it first so it's available for selection. Next, choose the Add as Link option. This is the best practice because it allows your recipients to access and download the file easily while avoiding email size limits. Complete your email draft by adding recipients, a subject, and any message you want to include. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your large file is now securely shared via Google Drive, and that's it. By following these steps, you can bypass email attachment limits and easily share large documents, videos, or images. Using Google Drive makes file sharing straightforward, fast, and reliable.